This may be one of the most challenging jobs in the world. He is a deep-sea diver, wearing a worn-out diving suit, treading on the slippery sand of the seabed. There is no other option for him. The recent fishing trips have yielded very little. His children have no money for school fees, so he has no choice but to come here to earn some money. Behind him lies a vast black fishing net, stretching as far as the eye can see. It can be imagined that there is another person on the other side, struggling just as hard as him. Looking up, he can't even see the surface of the sea. It is truly deep down here. With each step, the laborer almost loses his balance. He trudges on, growing more exhausted with every passing moment. Finally, he reaches another thick net. Summoning all his strength, he kicks his legs forward, merging the two nets together. The sight of this underwater network, spanning the sky, is enough to send shivers down one's spine. The laborers have little protective gear and no support. One wrong move could cost them their lives. Some may question the usefulness of this massive net. But look, there are 10,000 kilograms of fish trapped within its mesh. This is why the laborers can earn high wages today. The sheer number of fish is enough to make your head spin. Once they swim into the net, there's no escape. The laborers' current task is to secure the edges of the two nets together. This step is crucial to ensure that the fish don't slip away when the net is collected. From this perspective, it's not just 10,000 kilograms of fish, it's likely tens of thousands of kilograms. The value of this catch is truly substantial. I don't know why, but Lowly clenches the oxygen tube between his teeth and swims towards the middle of the fish. What did he do? He took down the dead fish entangled in the bottom of the net. Then they continued to tie the ropes to the fishing net. Let's look at this net from this angle. It was built like a pyramid. Nestor carefully checked its bottom and various positions to make sure there were no problems. Then they took down the sandbags placed around the net. It was obvious that they were going to pull the net. It was really an exciting moment. Let's see how many fish this net can catch. The fish struggled desperately when they saw the net tightening, but it was no use. Look at these densely packed fish. The seawater was stirred up with bubbles. It looked very spectacular. And what was going on above? Let's take a look. More than 20 people have been waiting there. They were pulling the net while waiting to see how they caught the fish. The method seemed a bit primitive. They actually pulled the fish one bag at a time with a small net bag. Who knows how long it will take to catch the fish? They sprinkled crushed ice on the fish to keep them fresh. Today was a big battle. Even the children in the village were touched. However, they came here to learn the technology and did not help at all. I don't know how long it took to finally catch enough fish. The children who came to watch the fun took out their pockets to ask the boss for a reward. The boss caught 2 handfuls of fish by himself to get a good start.
Thank you for watching Dampro's channel. We witnessed the dangers of certain fishing methods still being used here in the Philippines. These harmful practices have a negative impact on our oceans and the marine life inhabiting them. I hope that our government and communities can collaborate to educate our fishermen on safer and more sustainable fishing techniques. By working together, we can improve the fishing industry for the benefit of all. Thank you. May God bless us all.